Today's topic is data. We are expanding our services once again. We know how complex and messy business data can be. That's why we chose the leading platforms in the industry. Starting today, we're offering Snowflake and Databricks integration and support. Make sense of your data. Databricks transforms raw business data into real-time intelligence. From data pipelines to machine learning workflows, built for scale, automation, and AI-driven analytics. Snowflake transforms fragmented business data into one centralized and intelligent cloud platform, connecting applications, analytics, reporting systems, and operational data into a single source of truth. Built for real-time performance, enterprise scalability, and secure cloud-native architecture. From business intelligence and SQL analytics to advanced data workloads and live reporting, Snowflake enables organizations to access, analyze, and share data instantly across teams and environments. Fast, scalable, secure.